Here's how to check your AirTag battery level. Now, the first thing we'll do is head all the way over to the app library here on your phone, and we're going to search for the Find My app. So open up the Find My app, and you'll default usually to the people that you can track, but at the very bottom right, we're going to look for items and tap on items. Now here you can see is an AirTag, and I can open it up and it says, all right, this is Penny, and on here it gives information on where this AirTag is, but it doesn't show me anything about the battery life. Now, to find out more information, there's a good support page on Apple's. It says on here, if your AirTag has low battery, it will pop up with a low battery feature that says now, and it has a low battery symbol, and it says low battery, some features aren't available, replace this battery. However, for whatever reason, Apple has decided, even though you go in here, it doesn't show that battery level whatsoever unless it's low. So if you go in here and it doesn't show the battery level, and it could be half, it could be 3/4, it could be full. You don't necessarily know. They used to show the battery level on here. Why they don't anymore, I don't necessarily know, but they will show you if that battery is low. It'll pop up directly on here, as well as it says on here, you'll get a little notification that looks like this AirTag battery is low, replace it soon. For whatever reason, Apple decided to do it that way. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys.